Looking for a strong and reliable stand for your mobile device or laptop? Then you are in luck, because today Boyata has partnered up with us to take a look at two of their device stands, and they look like they're pretty awesome, so let's check them out. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. If you are new to the channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. In today's episode, we have some device stands by Boyata to take a look at. We have the H10 tablet stand and the N19 laptop stand to review. And we also have all of our links and details to both of these stands located in the description. So let's get these two stands out of the box and then we can take a closer look. Alright, so we've got the Boyata portable tablet stand as well as the adjustable laptop stand. So let's push this one to the side and get the tablet stand out of the box first, and then we'll go after the laptop stand. So these are supposed to be some really nice heavy duty stands. So I'm really excited about them. Straight out of the box we have exactly the stand and a card wrapped in plastic. Wow, this thing is great. Just as soon as I got it in my hands, I can feel how sturdy the hinges are. It's made out of an aluminum, and we have anti-slick silicone pads right here. That is awesome. This is going to be a great addition to the desk. And we got some logoing right there. We got the Boyata logo. That is nice. Now let's move this out of the way. And let's get the Boyata adjustable laptop stand. So this is essentially just like the tablet stand. Aluminum with the anti-skid stickies. We've got some paperwork. And then the stand, so let's just push the box out of the way, unwrap. Oh, this is great too. Everything feels super tight. I'm really a fan how tight this feels. Right here we have a nice logo just like the tablet stand. And the hinges, they're really tight. That's going to be real nice to hold some weight. And that is everything you get out of the box. So far I have really been enjoying these stands. The tablet stand is perfect with my iPad or phone. I usually have one or the other on the stand at all times. And the fact that both of these stands are extremely sturdy, that was so impressive. They're made from aluminum, but yet they are still easy to adjust. My laptop also fits on the laptop stand perfectly, allowing airflow underneath. So that helps keep everything nice and cool and saving desk space, especially when using other tools on the same desk like my music equipment. It's rated for laptops up to 17 inches, so you shouldn't have to worry about your laptop fitting properly. So I am a big fan of these stands, and I think they're a great add-on to my office setup as well as my producer desk, especially since the fact the aluminum bodies are extremely sturdy, but yet you can easily adjust everything and it holds up without any sag. That being said, I would highly recommend either of these stands by Boyata if you're looking into one or both. And if you found this review helpful, be sure to give this video a like and get in the comments. Let us know what your thoughts are on these stands. I would also like to give a big shout out to Boyata for partnering up with us to give you this review. We have all of Boyata's links and details about these stands located in the description. That is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, then be sure to do so. Turn that bell on if you'd like to receive notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.